Hello guys, what we have today is a Yamaha Psr550. So let's see what problem this has got. Oops, the volume has been cranked up. See, we don't have this mark keys. Mark white keys is not responding anything. There's no sound coming off this keys. See, basically what we have is those mark keys does not give the sound when we press it. Maybe you'll notice, see, those two white keys. These white keys and these white keys, these two are a bit sunken already. I believe the contact rubber inside has been torn up, so it does not have the proper force to lift the two keys up. So see, properly sunken. So let's turn it upside down and open it up once. Okay, okay, we are here, and I have marked the keys which are not working. These white keys, let's follow. See, this has been squeezed tight inside. I don't know why it happens. Yeah, hopefully it should work now. And this is the other key that is not working. You see, this one is not squeezed tight, but see those dirty deposits there, that is not making a good contact, so it does not give the sound. And also the last one is, this is also the one that is not working, and the same thing happens. It is squeezed so tight inside there, and hopefully it should work now, but I have to check. Okay, I have to take it out and check, because the rubber pad might have been broken. And hey, I can see, I can see it's broken, it's torn up. Try to take it out, this one. It's been torn up, so they are not working anymore. I think probably the same thing happens with this one also. It's the first one. See, this one also, it's torn up. And the other one, this one is the one that is not working, but this has good amount of dirts there. See, compare with the adjacent rubber contacts, this one has a lot of darts deposit there. See, you can see the big difference there. Okay, no wonder this is a very old circuit board, so it's obvious that we should find weak solder. There are a lot of weak solder here. See, this is a front camera, so it could not focus as we want, so I have to resolder those weak points again. Yes, this is what we have so far. Very satisfying. Now I can definitely feel the tension now. I think we'll turn it over and connect the cable and see if we have the keyboard fixed now. Hopefully that is in. Now what I have to do is I have to press it. Okay, I think it's good now. Now yes, this is the final result, which is ready for test. Yeah, all the keys are functioning fine. So anyway, thank you everyone for checking out my videos. I hope we learned something together today. This is one way of fixing your keyboard if the keys are not responsive. So I think this is done for now. Thank you.